Guys, I got this slime, and I want to see my bubble gun. I really know you'll like my bubble gun because my bubble gun's super cute.
I'm already underwater.
I'm in the same boat. I'm in an actual boat because I've been using Grammarly's AI for years to keep me high and dry. Try it. Grammarly can point out what's missing.
So
right
let
there.
me
See
show
what
you
wants to get done.
my bubble gun. That's really cool. Ready? No, not yet. Not yet. Actually, yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. It's really cool. I really love my little doll flag guy. That's on top of it. And it's new. It's so fun to play with. It's so fun. Hallelujah. Guys, in the video, 2 like tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, here's a tomato for your dinner.
Hit the Windows key and R, and that will open a run box. Type in services dot MSC. As you see, Windows Services Manager will open. You will now have the option to go look into the services that are running on your
Okay.
computer. You can see it in the description, their status, their startup time. If you like
Today we're gonna be doing what we're gonna be doing. I'll show you. Let me just go in quickly. Where's the book? Okay, I'll show you the book. I finally find it. I promise I'll find it. Hallelujah. Can you shut up your mouth, Denise? I don't like making that sound. Oh, there we go. Look, I want to think again. Actually, that's awesome. That was really weird. Okay, so we're giving you the death book. It's art scale. It's not a short book. It's really a lot of pages. See how much pages there is. Okay, the back one. There's 47 pages. That's not that much. Like, it looks like a lot. So let's see what we can find here that we can do for art. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that's a good idea, but I don't want it to. No. No. Oh. Cool. There's really nothing in here that's good. There's a lot of stuff that was good though. This should be. First, we have a toilet. That's toilets, pencils, and chalk, and what do you think we could do with all that? Like, nothing. I know what we're gonna have
Press match, you
to
can see the command
do
prompt. Do a right click and then click on run as
Etsy.
get a user
Bum,
access
bum, bum,
control.
bum, 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 bum.
Yes or continue.
We're gonna
Once
first
you have the command
get
prompt
a
open, go on board and type the command.
whatever we're gonna get. Gonna get bubbles. We need bubbles. I'm not loud. We need bubbles, I think. I don't know what we're even making. It was like doing like whatever, but like.
Once you get this message, you will have to go ahead and execute another command. You can copy and paste the command from the video description. You can do a right click and type the command wingmt.exe space /resync
Cool.
which is a command to resync your Windows management instrumentation. Hit enter. Once these commands has been successfully executed,
We're
you
gonna
may
make
go ahead and close this window. Restart
something whatever. I don't know. Sweet.
If it works, you don't need to try the next step. After you
Whatever.
executing this command, if you get this error message, the next step.
Oh, I don't want to get I know. I thought of that like before. Just 1 second. Let's see. There's a paper. Let's just get one paper. This is all paper. Okay, guys. Now we've actually got the stuff. Okay, so now we're going to actually make the actual thing. So let's cut our piece. Oh my gosh! Why do I keep forgetting the scissors? Every single time I go to do art, I need scissors. I'm going to forget scissors when I just mentioned I need scissors in my brain. And my brain forgets. Why? Okay, got scissors. Now we're just gonna have to, like this place here, whatever. I guess we can stand. Okay, guys, since you can't stand, I got it. I don't. Because George black chocolate. I don't like black chocolate. Start cutting our things like paper, into these bits. You can design the little bits before you do anything with them. You can design them. You can long horse. You can put little patterns or anything. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna put it on your pen. I'm gonna keep my plane because I'm just basically the one that's telling you. Okay, perfect. Once you've got all of the pieces of this, you're just going to fold it backwards, then go forwards. And then keep doing that till it changes to a little thingy, I don't know, whatever you call it. Like that. I think that's how you make it. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forward, backward, forward, and back. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards. Keep going. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward. You should get something like these. It should look really pretty. Next, we're gonna get our toilet roll. So first, we're gonna design our toilet roll. You can't just paint it that way quicker, but I'm gonna use pencils. Okay, actually, pencils are easier. Don't make a mistake. Royal blue and orange. Royal blue and orange. We're gonna use these two. Whatever color you want, and whatever two colors. And just, it doesn't matter how much colors you get. It only matters if you just have fun. That's really fun. This is the series we're getting to need to go. And it's so lucky, rolling, baby, I'm going to get it out, eat it out. Let's get back and ready to roll, eat it out. Let's get make it roll, eat it out. Making chicken macaroni, chicken macaroni, eat it out. I must have gone for a year. So I made up. Chicken macaroni, eat your food now. Or else you're got it for a year. Oh my God, I'm bad. I just scribbled. And then we're gonna need more colors. I'm gonna get this tropical orange and tomato. Ready, color. Ready, set, go. This tropical orange is really doing nothing. We're good. Next, we're gonna get these. We're gonna need tape. I always forget that. Okay, back with tape. It doesn't matter what tape you use, only if it's tape. Let's get some tape. Yep, I just do this. Cut. Gonna need tape and just wrap it right there. Chop your little. This is gonna be your bunny ear. This is gonna be your number one bunny ear. Just hold it. Got one of number one bunny ear. That might mean you only need two of these thingies. Two. You can just make them fly. I'm just making it like this, like for fun. And I mentioned you might need an adult. I did not mention that, right? Hopefully, hopefully I did already. Hopefully I did, because you already have one. If you already did, everybody had adults when they were young. They already had parents. Yeah, everybody had parents when they were young. Everybody knows that. Everybody, until there weren't even animals, everybody has parents. Not everybody knows their parents though. Because then they look at my little bunny ears. Okay, yeah. Come back. We're going to go get an extra piece of paper. Ooh, tropical. Ba 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 ba. Lol. Cut it. Take it like this or something. Do that. Just take it on. Stick it on with your tape. Probably tape, not glue. It's not gonna help. So, because this is not that good. Glue it. More. Then I'll just go like that. Oh my gosh, I forgot one more thing. Everybody forgets. You have to take the tape off again. I like playing football. If you don't put your tape on, well, not for me. Well, not for who? For actually putting your tape on when I actually told you to, because you're not. Wait, no. First, I want to do that, and then I keep base on it just before I do it because it's quite hard. Anything, okay? The eyes, nose, and also. I'm also gonna get Chilauka. Let's choose. Look at this. Cute, isn't it? And now you're going to get the tape. Maybe flip the tape, 2 pieces of tape. Use a lot. Because it's really helpful. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna get. I get addicted to art. Enough for now. Let's tape it on top. If I try it, do you want me? Don't you want me? Try it. Okay, that's it. Beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah, forgot our feet. Forgot our feet. Feet. That's so sauce. That's so sauce. Favorite sauce. Papa, 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 pee. Papa, 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 pee. Papa, 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 pee. Nope. Bup, 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 bup. Eee. Cut these little paws out. It's really cool. I like saying this. I was supposed to be doing that, but like. So okay, guys, you should finish right now. I'm almost finished. Lots of mistakes today, and that's really sad because my fault, maybe. Trash. Whoever focused what they're actually going to be doing and didn't listen to me that much because I made a lot of mistakes. So just gonna need one more. Oh gosh, the paw. Guys, and you should almost be finished because I'm almost finished. That's one problem if you're not finished yet and you're being really sad right now. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's stuff inside there. It's like supposed to be a pencil box. It's a buddy. You also play with it. Look, it's a pencil pop. That's a bunny. Take out your pencils out. And look, there's a little bunny with little paws. And I really like my pencil paw. It's really cool. It's really fun. I really like it. So yeah, but sometimes it's bad. I really like it. It's like not bad. Really good. It's like really good. And thanks for watching. Bye.